welcome to another episode on Bamboo Homestead. This week we're doing some harvesting. We harvested a few potatoes, left a few in the ground to hopefully get bigger. We saw an echidna, which was my first echidna I've seen, like live. So that was pretty exciting. We did some more harvesting, like broccoli, no, not broccoli, but Romanesco and cauliflower, and a few broad beans have come on now. Today it's really windy and 30 degrees. It's very hot, so summer has started. That's the bird again. So yeah, it's exciting. Summer has started, but it's also like, I don't want to go in the garden, it's too hot now. Hopefully tomorrow it cools down again. Before we start, I forgot that also it's mulberry season, so Kaya loves mulberries, and I walk to the mulberry tree about 5 times a day because it's a mulberry, and walks down and gets them, even though they're not that ripe yet. And then at the end of this video I'm going to show you why and how it snowed onto our house.
They almost leave that, didn't they?
Red.
Här uppe, säker med kamera. Oh, so cool.
I reckon they just use it for space mostly now. If you can plant something else. Not
Det är nog
much in there.
linie. So there's still quite a few in it, and I think I'm gonna leave them because I'm not very happy. Not that happy with the potato harvest, if I'm honest. A few good ones, like that one, it's pretty good size, but the rest is still a bit little. Like that, it's tiny and it wasn't worth it. But yeah, we just keep going, and we've harvested them too early. Yeah, that's it, Miss Uxo. It's hard when to harvest because they're sort of dying and they look like they're gonna die and not grow anymore. That's why I took them out, but yeah, the potatoes tell me something else. Oh well. But there is a few good sized ones, like this one is huge, it's pretty cool. That one sort of a right size. But from all the potatoes that we put in it, we probably have about the same amount as we put in. But at least it's organic now and nice and fresh and hard. Hört, gell? Nou, ga je niet gaan, dan moeten we het eens kochen. Het is kochen, gell? Our organic food from just today, which is pretty cool. So this is our broad bean bush, so I'm gonna take our first few broad beans down and Kaya puts them in our bowl. And next to it is a cauliflower that we're gonna harvest after. ripping off all the leaves and give them to the chooks. They are already waiting patiently and know I'm gonna give them something delicious. So at the moment our mulberry is having fruit or berries, and I'm heading down there right now, and this is happening probably about 5 times a day. So we're gonna follow the little guy. Wat met Jesse?
Mulberries.
The mulberries. Even though they're not really ready.
Because he eats them before they are.
Yeah.
Black.
Black, but this is not ready yet. This one looks sort of ready. Oh no, I threw it on the floor. There we go. The right one is ready and the other one is not. Well, the right one is ready and the left one is not. Mulberry. Feine Sache, hè? Ja, het is fertig, die anderen zijn nog niet grief. Zijn nog niet grief. Kunnen we nog eens bloemenkool holen? Hé, bloemenkool holen. Wat is dit? Zet dat. Gaffeli. Oh, dat is Marie Gaffeli. Oh, dat is Marie Gaffeli, hè? Marie Gaffeli. Now I'm gonna tell you guys why it is snowing at our place, even though it's soon summer. Go. Yay, sneeuwt! Wat er weer? Ja, ja. Net er weer door. This is the secret. So I'm gonna let you guys go. This was it for today. I hope I see you next week. On Sunday I should be able to upload another video. I was a bit late this week, but oops. Yeah, enjoy your week. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Cheers!